Step 1. Rotary hook. Open the rotary hook cover and add 1 to 2 drops on rotary hook every 4 hours. Step 2. Needle bar and the arm. Add a drop of oil to each needle bar every 2 months. Add oil to the arm, 1 to 2 drops per week. Step 3. Lubricate the machine head section. Switch to the first needle and add 1 to 2 drops of oil every month. Add oil to the machine head guide rail, 1 to 2 drops per month. Add oil to the oil tank once every 2 to 3 months to keep the oil tank filled with the proper amount of oil. Step 4. Y-axis guide rail. Add oil to the Y-axis guide rail once every 2 to 3 months. After adding the oil, move the guide rail to ensure the oil is more evenly distributed. Step 5. Machine head moving parts. Loosen the screws of the machine head cover and apply lithium grease to the moving slot part with your hand or a spray bottle. When we put the cover back, it would be best to tighten the screws at the bottom appropriately first. Step 6. Clean rotary hook and thread cutting part. Use a 2.5 mm wrench to loosen the 2 screws of the needle plate counterclockwise. Rotate the screws with your fingers to remove them and take off the needle plate. Use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen the 3 screws of the rotary cover and remove the cover house. Take off the cover. Use a brush or a spray gun to clean the thread ends and fluff on the surface, and clean the cover house. Put the needle plate and the cover house back.